everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a quick fix for an HP EliteBook 840 G3 laptop. The customer reported that when powering up the laptop, the keyboard lights up, the fan spins, and two amber indicator lights are visible. As you can see here, we have the two amber lights constant. We also have caps lock lights on. But we have no display on the screen. The screen is blank. We also have amber lights on the Wi-Fi button. Two amber lights on the indicator. Let me power this off and on and try it again. Now we have the same problem. The problem persists. Even after a hard reset, the issue persists. So if we have a HP Elite 840 G3 laptop with this same issue, I'll be walking you through the step-by-step on how to fix this problem. Tools needed for this repair: screwdrivers, heat gun, BIOS programmer, a laptop with good internet connection. Skills needed include knowledge of how to disassemble the laptop and soldering skills. So this is the battery. I'm trying to get the battery out. Battery is out. And I'll go ahead and remove the hard disks. Let's speed up this part to save time. I believe if you want to attempt this repair, you know how to disassemble this laptop. Let's speed up this process. Now that the motherboard is out, I'll use a microscope to locate and remove the BIOS chip. Please note that the microscope is not necessary for this repair. I use it for clearer recording purposes. I'll carefully remove the BIOS chip using a heat gun. This might take a while, so I'll speed this up. Here's a clearer view from the microscope. Remove the CMOS battery to avoid heating up the CMOS battery. Then I'll go ahead and use my heat gun to remove the BIOS chip. Now our BIOS chip is out. Now that we have removed the BIOS chip from the motherboard, we have to place the BIOS chip on the USB programmer. That's the chip. Make sure to use the correct adapter for better reading. I just placed the BIOS chip on the adapter. I'm trying to read it. After multiple attempts, I finally found the right adapter. The USB programmer comes with different adapter because different BIOS chips are shipped differently. So this is the adapter I finally used. As you can see, I had to solder the BIOS chip on this adapter because that's the only way it can be read, the USB programmer. So go ahead and place the adapter on the USB programmer. After placing the BIOS chip on the USB programmer, we are going to erase the BIOS chip. Then we download the correct BIOS file and write it to the BIOS chip. Each laptop has a specific BIOS file which cannot always be downloaded based on the model name alone. The name can be found on the motherboard. I'll provide a link to a Telegram group where you can find the BIOS file enclosed in a zip file along with a picture of the laptop's motherboard. This way, you are certain of which bin file to download or which bin file to use on your BIOS file. After successfully writing the bin file to the chip, we'll solder it back to the motherboard on test. So I've soldered it back. Let's test. And we have display on the screen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So this is all you have to do to fix this problem. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and also don't forget to download the right bin file, or this won't work for you. Thank you very much. Thank you.